Hello everyone. Today I am going to show my portfolio. See on my screen, here is my portfolio, and I created this portfolio in 5 minutes only. Okay, so how I created this? I totally used Google application here. Only use Google apps, and I created this. Okay, and I host. See google.com sites.google.com. So again, welcome back to my channel, and I am Vikram, and today I show you, and today I am going to announce a course from beginner to advanced where you learn Google Apps mastery, where you do mastery about Google Apps. I teach you each and every tool of Google, and using that you can boost your student profiles, and you can easy your life. Okay, Google is most powerful in the industry, so you must and you better you have to use this tool. There are many Google tools that is easy, that is make your life easy and productive. So let's do see my website. Let's wonder now. I just created in 5 minutes. Okay, you can also create it these applications for your student portfolio, and you are professional, you can create. Okay, so I've announced the Google Mastery course where you learn about every Google products, every Google apps. Using that you can make your life easy. So which Google products, many Google apps you can use in your phones, in your daily life, but some apps that is most useful in your student life, in your professional lives, in your industry. Okay, and if you have startups, then this is a must used tool. Okay, so many tools you know, but today I am coming here for that tools that is you don't know, like this. You can't know about this, and if you know, and okay, I teach you more, and you can create very good and productive things. Okay, so let's come and I show you which types of application do you learn in this journey. So let me click on new tab. Here is the applications. uh, in this journey, in this video journey, you can learn about docs, sheets, slides, blogger, how you can set your blogging apps, how can you text your notes, how can create your classrooms, how can you create this websites in an easy way, how can you create about Google Looker Studio. You can also know about this is used for you know about analytics the data. This is a very useful and simple one. You can create a data dashboards for analytics the data of businesses. Okay, so I teach you these things. Okay, you know the basic apps about Google's, but you don't know about this in this course. So I create the syllabus. I don't know how much time it's take to cover all the tools, but yes, I create the syllabus. So here is the syllabus. uh, okay, so course title, I keep this mastering Google apps. In this course I totally divided like 20 or 12 modules. Okay, So some 12 modules. Okay, no? So first one module is that about introduction to Google app, and that introduction uh, I gave in this video. And second one is Google Drive, third one is Docs. Okay, and like that we have all total 12 modules. Okay, in the last section I'll provide you the some extra bonus contents about how you use Google AI tools and some hidden tricks or tips. We can do hands on each and every topics in the session, so don't worry. And comes to here is the course name. I'll keep what you will learn. I tells you before. I told you before these things you can learn. Okay, why learn Google Apps? Obviously for enhance your productivity. And second one is collaboration. Collaboration is a must one tool. Okay, collaboration helps you to collaborate with your friends and colleagues very easily, and Google Apps in this term is very advanced. You can use this application from anywhere. If you have some document and your friends want to work on same documents and you also want to same documents, they that Google applications helps you very easily and very efficiently. Okay, and yes, that is a very useful for students, professional as well as businesses. Okay, so this course for the students, working professionals, and content creators, bloggers, and obviously for everyone. Okay, in the whole world, Google takes the lead. Okay, so these are the course structures. Will provide hands-on practices, real-world use cases, beginner-friendly exam explanations, and I make all videos easy for you. Yes, guys, if you see the modules, videos of each and every topics in minor details, each and every topics without skips the videos. Yes, I say to you that guys, no one can beat you in the Google apps. You are the master of these applications. Okay, you never. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and drop a comment on what excites you more, what excites you the most. Okay, and see you in the first lesson. And guys, if you have any questions, to comment. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. If you forget to subscribe, you can't learn about Google Apps. Thanks. Goodbye. Till then, see you the next first lesson.